Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Only build remote tools for legitimate, authorized administration or research purposes. Do not create malware or perform unauthorized access. Check local laws and employer policies before creating or deploying remote software. Obtain written consent from system owners and administrators before connecting. Record signed consent and maintain audit logs for all remote administration activities. Follow privacy rules and data minimization when collecting system information. If unsure, consult legal counsel or your security team before proceeding with any development. Design a secure architecture before writing any C# code. Use TLS1, 2 or higher and 250 6-bit encryption for all network connections. Separate components into a 3-tier architecture with client, authenticated server, and admin interfaces. Require multi-factor authentication and role-based access control for administrator accounts. Limit exposed ports and use standard ports like 443 through properly configured firewalls. Use certificate pinning and validate certificates on every connection. Plan for secure key storage using platform secure keys. Write C# code with security-first practices and defensive programming patterns. Perform regular code reviews and run static analysis tools to find vulnerabilities. Test features in isolated sandboxes and staging environments before any deployment. Log only necessary events and store logs encrypted with limited retention and access controls. Deploy updates through secure channels and signed packages only. Monitor systems continuously with alerts and a clear incident response plan. Provide documentation and training for administrators on secure operation and recovery procedures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.